Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Crypto Traders Arena daily crypto plan live stream. Well, it's Monday again, September 9. We have another weekly close. So let's take a look at and see what we have on weekly. Morning Bucur, morning Shogun, Cristian, Bova. Hey Stefan. Okay. Weekly. Pretty simple here. Not too many things, but we retested somehow this candle. Yeah, this week. This tail, if we want to be technically correct. Everyone is bearish here. If you are thinking range, that's not a good thinking. Yeah, indeed, we can push back at 52, but well, now we have 2000 and something to that level, to the support level. And if we look up, well, I think the risk to reward is better to the upside in my view. If you are thinking range, if you are thinking 4-year cycle, if you are thinking bullish on Bitcoin, I know it's not what you see usually on Twitter. People are bearish, but we are here to make money, not to play around. So last week, bearish. You can see 2 weeks of bearishness. We closed from 64 to 57. Now we slow down a little bit and we have 54 here. Technically, it's a clear retest of this candle. Yeah, so nothing to complain about that. The price action is strong. Well, keep in mind what is happening in the rest of the market. Well, pretty strong Bitcoin, but for me to convince me, okay, we'll become bullish again on medium term, I need a W. And a weekly W will take some time to form. But at the same time, we are getting closer and closer to that exponential phase where you'll not see a W anymore. You'll just see straight up. And look what happened here, yeah. Stayed here, SFU, and then you can see up. Similar, we can see pretty fast. Let's wait and see what will happen. We have here the pump chaser zone, the long reload zone from this swing low to this swing high. That could be a damn good location for us to think long. But don't be too bearish in this environment, please. I see too much bearishness. Sentiment is down. People, I don't know, they are thinking to capitulate and say, well, fuck it, I don't want to see crypto anymore. Let's not be part of the public. Okay, Bitcoin weekly, you can see in the other template, I have a better overview here. Range, short reload zone here, long reload zone here from the last swing low, swing high. So we bounced, and everyone was bullish here in the short reload zone. And I said, well, if you are bullish and if you are thinking long, well, wait for a retracement. Well, we have that retracement now. We are back in the long reload zone where we should think long. On daily, well, you can see Friday we dropped, in the weekend we pumped a little bit. We can go back down and form a nice W here. It'll take 2 days, maybe the entire week to form a W here, but it's possible. Looking left, candle body lows for trade location. So I have location, multiple ways to see location. Look left. Let's see what we have on indicators. Well, for the moment, nothing on daily. Maybe on 4-hour chart we'll see something, but on daily, nothing yet. So if you are a trader who's trading the daily chart, you should be patiently waiting here for a W. We don't have that W. Indicators, well, nothing. 4-hour chart, let's just do that. Well, indicator confirmation, yeah, okay. You have W's in price on 4-hour chart here, you can see. W in price, yeah, and W in indicators. By the way, we changed the structure here on 4-hour chart. Yeah, I know Stefan will start trading, and he'll probably try to look for long ideas if we'll see a retracement here. Yeah, you can see we started higher highs and higher lows. It's just a start here, but we accepted and we closed above 54,800 here. Okay, let's go back on daily. Well, daily, like I said, if you want daily time frame, you should wait. If you want 4-hour chart, you can hunt. Ethereum on daily, you can see damn good location, AB equals CD completed. I don't see anything special on indicators on daily 4-hour chart. If you go there, we have similar price action. Yeah? W at 78.6. That's a bit weaker than Bitcoin, but that could change pretty fast. Yeah? Let's wait and see what will happen. If Bitcoin will keep being bullish, Ethereum could start outperforming. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. Well, we have the M. Now we have a clear M here. If we'll accept below, like I said yesterday in the live stream, if we'll accept below 56.6, okay, then we'll have even more confirmation that we have a chance for something. For the moment here, I don't want to be too aggressive on the altcoins. I'll show you on 4-hour chart what I mean. But a retest here or Bitcoin slowly pushing higher could determine altcoins to start pumping in the real sense. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, it's slowing down. We are in a long reload zone from this bounce. No W yet, not even on daily chart. So, yeah. I could see here price trying to do something, but look at the OBV. I don't like it. For the moment, Ethereum is not ready to do something. That could change pretty fast, like I said. People slowly becoming too bearish on Ethereum. DXY, well, we bounced from 100 level. It's a big fat round number, expecting to bounce to play around at that level. You can see here we have some bullish divergence on RSI. Well, if we'll stay above 100, we'll still be in a range. If we'll accept below 100, then back in the long reload zone. You can see long reload zone is below here. Total market cap, we can see total 1 in the long reload zone on daily, total 2 similar, total 3 similar. Yes, 500 on daily. We still have some room to push to long reload zone. So here we have kind of a 50% pump chaser zone. Will be enough? Well, let's see what will happen this week, but could be. But I have to keep that long reload zone there. You can see. We had nice pushing here, double top. If it's still bullish and strong, well, 38.2 to 50% retracement, it's more than enough to keep going up. So nice pump, nice retracement pump chaser zone, maybe a W on 4-hour chart or even lower time frame, and start pushing higher, and then we can think AB equals CD to the upside. For the moment it's a bit too early. We don't have enough price action here in the pump chaser zone, so we can tell, well, it's bullish or it's bullish. We can think AB equals CD or not. Let's wait and see. It's just Monday morning. Guys, if you have requests, please type in the chat and I'll take a look at the end of the live stream. So here we have location, kind of pump chaser zone. Look left. We have some support, not too much, but enough to form a W and maybe try to push higher. Let's see what events we have this week. Calendar, you can see big events with high impact will start from Wednesday, inflation. Then Thursday we have again some Euro news and PPI on ES. And Friday we have Michigan consumer sentiment. It's acceptable. I don't see anything that should scare us and put us on the sidelines. No, it's acceptable. We can trade. In the news, we'll stay out. Half an hour, 15 minutes, we'll stay out. And then we can trade again. Well, so that's the news for this week. Let's see on a lower time frame, 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart Bitcoin, and then we can go look for some altcoins. Like I said earlier about 4-hour W on Bitcoin. So you can see bounce to 64, back down in the long reload zone, and we have a W. It's there. Not the best one, but it's there. Why I say it's not the best one? Well, you have to, if you want to take this entire W, you have to take the low as a stop loss, 52,500. So either it's more profitable to go on different time frame, on lower time frame, and hunt a continuation trade here, assuming that this is the start of a uptrend. 4-hour chart, it's a bit too much. 54,800 to 52,500, more than $2,000. I don't think it's the best window of risk here. Yeah, you have a 2-to-1 until the short reload zone here. Maybe even a 3-to-1. Let's see. Let's just see. 2.5. 3-to-1. So, taking this W, you can think short reload zone 62. You have a 3-to-1. 3-to-1 is not bad. What it's above 2, it's acceptable. 3-to-1, it's medium. It's okay. And you can see bullish divergence here, bullish divergence here, W's here, so indicator confirmation. So we have a general setup here. We have it. It's there. If you want to take it, it's at the entry. If you are a 4-hour or 8-hour or 12-hour or daily time frame, you can think about this trade. Let's just keep it here, and we'll talk about it at the end of the week. Well, let's see if we'll hit stop loss or take profit. If you are not a day trader, you are just a swing trader, this is not a bad idea. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum, 4-hour chart, similar. Location, some W's. Well, I'll be honest, I'll prefer an LJ here. You can see still in a downtrend here. Give me a W the other side of the trend line. And, okay, I'll take a long. For the moment, preferably to wait. That's Ethereum on 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at some altcoins, starting with Aevo, one of my favorites. I don't know if I have a favorite. It's just that I managed to look at pretty often at this one, and I like what I see. It's behaving nicely for the moment. And nice SFU here. I took a long here at this SFU. I made nice money over the weekend. But now, well, because we have the SFU, we don't have a clear W on 4-hour chart. I want a clear one. And this is not the best one. If we'll consolidate more and I'll put another W, okay. If we'll push higher, then okay, I'll play with the classic long reload zone. I'll take the swing low, swing high, and I'll wait in the long reload zone for another W. Now I'll take it from there. Here, expanding volatility a little bit, but I don't have a clear setup here. Nice location, bullish divergence all the way. That's why I took the SFU. I still have partially that trade. So I'm in a damn good position. I don't want to break it. I'll just leave it there. For a new setup, I don't see it. Alt, well, alt, we have here some W's, you can see. We have a W here. I even posted on my challenge. I restarted the challenge yesterday. And you can see we have Manta and E-Gold. 4-hour chart. A general setup, an E-Gold, an LJ. I'll show you immediately what I'm talking about. So, here, okay, maybe wait for more consolidation, but we have a W in the long reload zone. It's what we waited for some time. 10%, maybe more, from the altcoins, they are looking like this. The rest of them, they are in this location, but they don't have Ws. CRV, we took a trade, if you remember, on daily or the 12-hour chart. We are still okay-ish, above the entry, trying to push higher. I'm okay with this trade, but this one was kind of a daily, higher time frame. You can see what I'm aiming here. 4-hour chart, dimension, well, it's there. Not the best one, but it's there. You can see a W in the long reload zone, bullish divergence here, starting from here, classic general setup. And we have a 3.5. I don't like the wicks here. You can see the wicks to the downside. They are suspicious, but in the same time, look at the rejection in this area. Rejection. Well, I could expect if the market will try to come back down here to reject and push higher again. No? So close to the entry, up to you if you want to take something like this. E-gold, we have a W, but I'll show you another template. You can see I took this small one. LJ here, you can see the M, the trend line, okay. And we have a complete W the other side of the trend line. And I took it. Let's see what will happen. It's one of the trades from my challenge. Let's go back here. FET. Not the best location. Is bouncing here until we'll come back in the long reload zone. I'm not touching this one. I could see a bot setting up, but not enough for a bot setup yet. So not in a good location for an LJ, not general setup, not a good LJ, not enough for a bot setup. So just leave it alone for the moment. This one, you can see it's at the entry, it's from the last week. It's not performing, I don't know, as expected, but still above the entry. Joe, it's a bit stronger than the rest. Nah, I don't like it here. It's too violent. Didn't give me a clear double here. Manta, similar. You can see the W's. What I don't like is the wicks here. But in the same time, I have a nice and clear W on 4-hour, 8-hour chart, and I was forced to take this trade. It's on my challenge on premium. So people from premium saw that I restarted the challenge. When I tried last time, I had a problem. I usually like to scalp, and I put some scalps, some day trades there, and I didn't have the necessary time to put all the trades. So I said I'll put on higher time frame to be able to post the trades before the entry. Too many things to do. So I said I'll zoom out a little bit and I'll post on that challenge some trades from higher time frame. Pixel, let's go on the other template. Similar looking here, nice W, breakout and retest. This one was a nice one, but it's too late. Byte, similar, you can see her starting to do something here. That doesn't mean we'll go straight up. If Bitcoin will behave nicely, yeah, they could go. If not, they could go sideways. Solana is trying to do something here in the long reload zone, but not enough for me. Ton, we are short. You can see we touched long reload zone, like I said, on higher time frame. Well, maybe we'll recover, but I still want deeper in the long reload zone. Tron, don't touch it, it's too ugly. And this one is not for trading. Yeah, this one is just to see what is happening. We bought 50 cents, we sold half on a double. Let's see if we'll go back in the long reload zone to reload, or we'll push up and we'll see what we'll do. Yeah, that's my my overview here. Aave, well, we can take a look at Aave. I see someone posting to look at Aave. Why not? Well, I'll start with weekly. If you are a weekly time frame trader, man, I don't know, you have some weekly W's here. It's strong, it's stronger than the rest, that's for sure. But here, for me at the top of the range, well, you can go on lower time frame and try to frame a bot setup or something here. Okay, it's possible, but you had a retest here last week. Yeah? I see it, it's strong, could push higher, but I don't see the, for a trade, I don't see the opportunity here. It's strong, I see that. Let's see the daily chart. You can play here because it's strong. You can wait for pump chaser zone, or you can play, if you know to play the mountain man, or here, or Stefan's setup, because you have changed something here is strong, but maybe something will drop, and in this area to $100 will probably, if we'll reach this area, will probably bounce. Here you have a bot setup on lower time frame. I don't think it's the case to go there, but we can take a look. Let's see. So taking this one, let's see if we have the first part of the bot. By the way, bot is not my setup, it's learned from Brian Bimesh from TRI. So we have retracement below 33. We can clone this one, go to the next one. Okay, and you can see, yeah, you can have a bot setup here. A, B, C, D, 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows, 25% here, 3 to 1 until here. If you want a continuation, okay. It's strong for a continuation. If you see that everything is holding the levels, hopefully YouTube it's okay, yeah. If you see everything holding the levels, Bitcoin and the rest, this one could pump easily to this level. So that should be your trade. Entry here, stop loss here, entry here at green level. Take profit all the way up at 188. Okay. Well, I just took a look, Bucur, on Dimension and ING on 4-hour chart. Okay. So Aave indeed is stronger than the rest. On weekly chart. On weekly chart. It's looking strong, damn strong. I like that. We had this consolidation here. This is a big range and is trying to break out. Probably has some news, has something that is pushing it higher. It's strong, but if you bought like we did here, 0.5 limit order at $59, $60. I hope it's good enough, my opinion there, James. I cannot read your name, sorry. James, Bitcoin. Well, I spoke about Bitcoin about 20 minutes from this live stream. Yeah, okay. Doji, I posted on Twitter if you know what I'm thinking about Doji. It's a shitcoin on Doge ecosystem, 21 million. Some perspective, small but strong community. They are trying to push it higher because they have a limited supply. They could do something nice. I bought 50 cents. I sold half on a double. I have reposition. If we'll come back, I'll reload. And that's about it. Yeah. Anything else here? Well, Twitter usually it's too bearish in this kind of a bottom of the range. Kind of ugly from influencer perspective because they, well, you can see someone is still thinking okayish here. Okay. If you don't have anything else, if you don't have questions, let's call it a live stream. I'll go on trade with Stefan on VIP. By the way, if you want to join Capua too, Stefan will start the program pretty soon. You have to know how to trade. You cannot be a complete beginner. That's for Capua 1. But DM Stefan and he can give you some details about Capua 2. Capua 1, late registration open this week, and then we'll close everything. We'll focus on the program. Yeah, we are in the week 2, and I'll keep it until at the end of the week. Then I'll close the registration. If you want to join premium, you know where to find us. If you want to stay on a general or on free part of the community, I don't mind. Just be a part of the community, stay on free. If you are a, I don't know, position trader, it's okay to stay on free. You don't need more than that. Yeah. For the moment, we still have access on live streams and everything for the free members. So it's okay-ish to stay there without paying anything. Maybe you don't have the money, maybe you want to build something, maybe you want to see how we behave. It's up to you. Join Discord, stay on free part, ask in the chat everything you want to know about trading or from us, and I will gladly answer you. Okay, so I already looked at what Bukur said, Dimension, ING. Guys, it's Monday. Don't expect for the price to move 5k Monday morning. Huh? Even altcoins. Yeah, they could move, but usually Monday it's slow and ugly. So don't be too aggressive. Be patient today. Maybe in the New York session we'll have more volatility. We'll see. Everyone is becoming bullish. If we'll reach that 52 level, and let's say we'll do an SFU. Let's go back on the chart. And this is the last thing I'll say. If we'll come back here and test this level, 52, and maybe even lower, everyone at 52, this level you can see at support, everyone will become bearish. On Twitter and social media I'm speaking about. And that's the time where we should think, well, we had a nice retracement, 30 and something. It's time to think bullish. And they'll become bearish. The sentiment is already down. Okay, worst case scenario, we can touch 45. We can maybe even go lower. But it's buying opportunity, guys. Let's focus on hunting long ideas. Let's focus on buying or dollar cost average or doing something on the long side. We are in 2024, for the fuck's sake. We are closer and closer to the exponential move to the upside. If you are thinking 4-year cycle. And people are bearish here. Sorry. Okay, guys. Let's call it a live stream. It's Monday morning. Take it slow. If you have questions, ask in the general chat. If you are a premium, ask in the premium chat. If you are a VIP, ask in VIP. DM me or Stefan will gladly answer you. If you have something you cannot say in a general chat or for everyone else to see, we'll gladly try to help you if we can. Okay? Don't hesitate, because we are here to help. If it's something that we know or we can help you, we'll do it. Okay, leave a like if you like the content, a dislike if you don't like the content, share it with your friends, you know the drill. I don't like to shield my videos and tell you to like. If you like the video, you'll do it anyway. Okay, see you guys later or tomorrow morning with the same live stream. Bye bye.